This here, this is a statement. A declaration. It's the intersection of raw and refined, of laid back and hold on. It's 6 torqued out speeds housed in an automatic dual clutch transmission, a standard ride mode, and an anything but standard ride. It's the perfect song at the perfect time. Yeah, that's the one. This is ABS standard, LEDs front and back, and it's over 90 horses of this is gonna be fun. Now this is unexpected, because this is sport bike fun, all dressed up as a cruiser. It's high revs, lightning fast shifts. It's nimble and lean, and it devours curves one by one. This one, that one, the next one. It gets low and leans in. This is life goals. This is all day, any day. Out here, this is an escape pod, because this goes the distance. It's power, wrapped in comfort, tempered by torque control. It's rain mode with no rain necessary. Smooth shifts, passengers welcome. This is next-gen technology, made simple. Yes, this is our latest creation. The 2021 Honda Rebel 1100, all-day Rebel.
Hi, I'm Luke Bowler, and today I'm going to take you through the major update of the new 2019 Street Twin. Originally launched in 2016, this is Triumph's most contemporary custom Bonneville. Designed to be fun, beautiful, and really easy to ride, and with the minimal style of the custom scene and all of that classic Bonneville DNA. And the response to date has been amazing. This has become Triumph's single biggest selling modern classic. Not just because of its beautiful looks, but also because it's so wonderfully accessible. From its torque-rich engine and low seat height, to the easy handling and almost limitless range of accessory options to help riders personalise their bike. And for 2019, Triumph adds a new chapter to the Street Twin story with this, the next generation, which brings a major step forward for Triumph's most successful modern classic. First up, there is much more power and performance delivered by a significant upgrade to that 900cc Bonneville engine, which brings 10 PS more power, a massive 18% increase. This comes on top of its high torque delivery across the whole rev range, which the Street Twin is absolutely loved for. It's also higher revving with the red line now 500 RPM up. It keeps its ride-by-wire and liquid cooling setup, which are beautifully integrated to give you that modern capability and excellent fuel economy. You also get that very high 10,000 miles, 16,000 kilometer first major service. And finally, of course, the new Street Twin delivers all of that unmistakable British twin sound. Next up, the new model brings an even higher standard of specification with a significant improvement to rider comfort and control. This comes from a new Brembo 4-piston front brake, new higher spec cartridge forks, and also improved rider ergonomics with enhanced rider and pillion comfort from a deeper foam seat. Add this to the Street Twin's well-regarded intuitive and confidence-inspiring handling, and you get an even more engaging ride. With the new Street Twin, we also have new first-in-class technology with new road and rain riding modes, and also new accessory-fitted tyre pressure monitoring capability. All of this coming on top of the Street Twin's already high level of standard equipment, including ABS, switchable traction control, a torque assist clutch, distinctive and contemporary LED rear light, an under-seat USB charging point, and an immobilizer. As you can see, there is an even more contemporary custom look and styling update with new cast multi-spoke wheels with machines detailing and new, more premium blacked out instrument styling, and also a more contemporary logo on these new side panels. And finally, there are more than 140 accessories available that make the Street Twin the perfect base for personalization. So there you have it, the new 2019 Street Twin, a major step forward for Triumph's most successful modern classic with more power, a higher specification, and even more premium, beautiful details.
Hi, I'm Jamie and this is the Triumph Bobber. Today I'm going to give you a rundown of all the key features and specifications of this beautiful machine. So let's start with the name and what makes an authentic bobber. Back in the 1940s, post-war American bikers took the most powerful motorcycles they could get and stripped them bare for the road and to race. Inspired by the leading bikes of the day, with Triumph top of the list, they created a unique and instantly recognizable style with a hard tail and single seat, flat low bars to cut down drag, and a shortened bobbed fender, giving the bobber its iconic name. And in today's motorcycle world, the Triumph Bobber really does stand apart because of its authenticity, innovation, and these stunning looks. But it's not just about the style. Triumph have also gone all out to deliver a riding experience and sound that can live up to the looks without compromise on performance, handling, or comfort. So let's take a closer look at the specifications. Starting with the engine. The Bobber features Triumph's 1200cc high-torque parallel twin engine, the same as in the Bonneville T120, and has the same elegant integration of liquid cooling and hidden catalyst. And while it has the same 270-degree firing interval designed to give the bobber a smoother, linear power delivery from its 6-speed gearbox, the bobber has its own special tube for more torque and more power low down than the Bonneville T120, and also more across the rev range. There's also a distinctive bobber sound with a unique twin airbox intake and exhaust system. With regards to numbers, the bobber gives a category-leading 106 Newton meters of torque at 4,000 RPM, which is 10% more than the T120 in the mid-range, and 77 PS peak power, which is also 10% higher than the T120 in the mid-range. Add to that ride-by-wire, 2 riding modes, road and rain, a 9.1 litre tank with 69 mpg and a range of over 135 miles in combined use, plus a very high service interval of 10,000 miles or 16,000 kilometres, and the bobber's performance creds add up to something special. There's a great combination of equipment spec and engineering innovation designed to ensure it handles in a way that has made the bobber Triumph's fastest selling bike ever. We have ABS and switchable traction control, a torque assist clutch for a really light feel, broad adjustable levers and Avon Cobra radial tyres. On top of this, the bobber has its own unique frame and chassis, with a very low seat height of just 690 millimeters, making this a bike literally every rider can master. There are also 2 real design innovations. First, this really distinctive floating aluminium seat with monoshock rear suspension, and the distinctive cage swinging arm, an absolute hallmark of the hardtail look. And second, the bobber has a unique adjustable riding position where the seat can be repositioned up and forwards or down and backwards, which is matched by adjustable instruments, so you can tailor the bike to suit your height and riding preference. Let's now take a look at the style and standard of detailing and finish. Not only do you get all of Triumph's authentic classic bobber looks, just like the original Bonneville bobber customs, with a timeless silhouette, Triumph's design, a DNA and sculpted tank, you also get a host of beautiful hallmark features. The overall clean lines and low stance, the single seat, wide flat bars, slash cut, twin skin silencers, wire spoked wheels, minimal bodywork and bobbed steel fenders. As you can see, there's a very high quality paint finish and lots of little touches such as the classic rear drum brake style hub and battery box, brushed engine covers, sculpted top yoke, plus in applicable markets the LED rear light and LED bullet indicators. Finally, with over 150 accessories, there is a lot you can do to personalize the bobber, including really distinctive ape hanger bars, panniers and statement seat. So there you have it, the Triumph bobber, a genuine original designed to deliver all of the performance and ride to match its stunning looks.
3 seconds. That's how long it takes to do something stupid. Something that saying sorry isn't enough to put right. "10 seconds. That's how long they need to take everything out of your pockets. Your house keys, the address book with your phone numbers, your packet of gums, all your hopes. 10 seconds is all they need to accomplish this procedure. Years. That's how long it takes to reverse the process. To regain your home, your family, and your freedom. But at times, life doesn't wait. You wouldn't have enough time even if you had 3 lives. So you have to nibble away at those years and turn them into months. Crumble up the months, turn them into days. And keep on grading away at them until they become now. Do something to take back your time, your passion, and yourself. Do it now. Like I did.
and everybody else is seated as he makes a stand.
city lights, this is dedicated to those who live the night.